Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this multi-port charging station from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this is the charging station. It's a multi-port charging station that will accommodate up to 20 devices. You have 10 5-volt, 3-amp USB Type-C charger ports, and then you have 10 5-volt, 2.4-amp USB Type-A charging ports. So in all you have 20. You have the user's manual, you have a AC plugs into the back, you have the on-off powering up the multi-port station, and then you have a set of cables. Then you have these little divider separators. If you look close, you have an arrow pointing toward the left to lock these dividers in, and to open or release the dividers, you slide those over to the right. So that locks them in. This unlocks to remove them. So you can put these whatever distance to accommodate the thickness of your devices that are being charged up. So let's put a few of these on and put a couple of devices on and give it a try. Okay, it comes with 5 different pairs of cables and various USB connectors. Here's 2 that has 2 USB-A connectors on one side and the lightning connectors on the other. And then you have a pair of lightning connectors on one side and then the USB Type-C on the other. Then you have a pair of USB Type-C to USB Type-C connectors, USB Type-C to USB Type-A, and then you have these mini USB Type-C connectors to USB Type-A. So these cables should accommodate a variety of devices that may need to be charged using this multi-port charging station. So let's plug a few in. Okay, I have it all connected now. We have my MacBook Pro, a couple of tablets with 2 different kinds of connectors, an iPhone, and even a couple of earpods. So we'll turn it on in the back. You can see the power light is on. So these are currently under charge. I've removed a couple of the dividers just to accommodate, the width of some of these devices. So this is 6 devices. Still have room for 4 more devices. So this is a great multi-port USB charging station. In total, it puts out 270 watts capability. It can accommodate up to 20 different devices, and you have a variety of USB connectors that would accommodate old devices as well as some of the newest connections. So it's a great all-in-one station for charging. So I highly recommend this multi-port USB charging station.